Kanti kuphinde kwavela okusha ngecala lokubulawa kwaloyo wengunozinti weqembu le-Orlando Pirates uSenzo Meyiwa. Kanti sikhumbula ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa wabulawa ngonyaka ka-2014 esemzini kalowo wayeyintombi yakhe uKelly Khumalo. Kanti icala lokubulawa kwalowo wengunozinti we-Orlando Pirates belokhu luqhubeke njalo, nokwenza ukuthi namhlanje ecaleni lanamhlanje kube khona ubufakazi obusha obuvelile, nokukhomba ukuthi inkantolo ibisithola ubufakazi obusha ebuthola laphana ku-Brigadier Ongani Gininda, nokuveza ngokusobala ukuthi bakuthole kumsola wokuqala uMoses Biya ukuthi babethunywe nguKelly Khumalo ukuba bayosoconga uSenzo Meyiwa. Kanti kuphinde sekuvela obunye ubufakazi ukuthi kunezithombe ezatholakala kumsola wesithathu kanye nomsola wesine ezifana ncamashini nezithombe ezatholakala efonini kaKelly Khumalo. Mbukelo silethe uhle TV nampo ubufakazi esacaphunele bona ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana.
2020, in this confession, he clearly implicates Miss Kelly Khumalo as the person who gave them the instruction to kill Senzo Meyiwa. The suspect later made a formal pointing out the scene collection prior to the incident, the gathering of the outside of the house during the assassination, and the dropping off of the accused at the cell phone tower referred to herein above. The pointing out by this accused identified the exact scene, place, however, the scene, place, house where the deceased was shot. The accused identified the place, position he held when this offense was committed. In place in terms of his pointing out is accurate and matches out the crime scene.
Investigation which resulted in evidence under oath revealed that the victim was murdered as a contractual assassination or hit rather than a robbery gone wrong. Evidence under oath revealed that 5 suspects actively participated in the planning and execution of the contractual murder of Senzo Meyiwa. The suspects are as follows. 3.1. Musika uKelly Thembas Biya. He was first linked to this offense by means of witness statement under oath. The accused boasted to individuals closely associated with him in KZN Homeland as to his involvement together with Mafiga, herein under suspect 2, Carlos herein under suspect 3, Mapisa herein under suspect 4, and Nkani herein under suspect 5, into the killing of the deceased. A dispute ensued between these individuals, and the closely associated individuals disclosed to the SAPS the admissions this accused made to them. The accused was further linked with circumstantial evidence wherein he, minutes after the incident, made disclosures and remarks at a family gathering he attended in Phosphorus as to the killing of Senzo, even before the death was reported in the media. He is further linked by means of a formal confession he made to the commissioned independent officer on the 30th of May 2020. In this confession, he clearly implicates Ms. Kelly Khumalo as the person who gave them the instruction to kill Senzo Meyiwa.